Hello guys, welcome to Osbildung. So today we will solve few numerical based on a series and parallel combination of capacitances. If you have not gone through previous videos, please find the link in description box. And let's begin with the today's session. So first of all, let me discuss few basic things like if two capacitances are connected in series in this manner. The capacitance of first capacitance is C1 and the capacitance value of the second capacitance is C2. If two capacitances are connected in series, so they will be replaced by C equivalent as C1 into C2 upon C1 plus C2. And if two capacitances are connected in parallel, that is if two capacitances are connected in this manner, here the capacitance of this is C1 and here capacitance value of this is C2. So C equivalent will be equal to C1 plus C2. So this was the basic concept that will be used to solve this numerical. So this numerical says find the equivalent capacitance of the combination shown in figure across the terminal xy. So here across the terminal xy we have to calculate the equivalent value of a capacitance. So let's start. We can see here uh, these C2 and C3 are connected in series. So we will find C equivalent for this combination. So here we can find C dash is equals to C2 into C3 upon C2 plus C3, that is equals to 2 micro into 2 micro upon 2 micro plus 2 micro, that is equals to 4 upon 4 micro. So here it will be 1 microfarad. So here we solved for this combination. So now our circuit will be made in this manner. Here we are having 2 microfarad. Here we are having 1 microfarad and here we are having 1 microfarad y and here we are having x. So now we can see here 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad are connected in parallel. So now here we will get C double dash is equals to 2 micro plus 1 micro, that is equals to 3 microfarad. Now our circuit will be replaced in this manner. Here we are having 3 microfarad and here we are having 1 microfarad across terminal xy. So now C equivalent will be equal to 3 micro into 1 micro upon 3 micro plus 1 micro, that is equals to 3 micro upon 4, that is equals to 0.75 microfarad. So this was the equivalent value of a capacitance across the terminal xy. So this numerical says find the equivalent capacitance across xy terminal of the figure. So now we will solve the equivalent of C3, C1 and C2. We can see C1 and C2 are connected in series and then the combination is connected in parallel with C3. So here we can take this combination of C1, C2 and C3 as C equivalent 1. So C equivalent 1 is equals to C1 into C2 upon C1 plus C2 and then plus C3. So this is C equivalent 1 or the combination of C1, C2 and C3. So now we can see now this C equivalent 1 will come in series with C4. So then let's take that combination as C equivalent 2. So that will be equal to C4 into C equivalent 1 upon C4 plus C equivalent 1. Again, this combination will come in parallel with C5. So here it will be C equivalent 3 is equals to C5 plus C equivalent 2. So now this combination will come in series with C6. So then C equivalent 4 is equals to C6 into C equivalent 3 upon C6 plus C equivalent 3. Now we can substitute the value of C equivalent 3, C equivalent 2 and C equivalent 1 in C equivalent 4. because C equivalent 4 is the final equivalent value of this whole circuit. So we can see here C equivalent 4 is equals to C5 plus C4 into C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3 upon plus C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3 into C6 upon 5 plus C4 into C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3 upon C4 plus C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 plus plus C6. So this is the equivalent combination of the circuit. You guys, hope you all understood each and every questions, and please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. So meet in the next session. Bye.